Language is the cornerstone of human communication. It is the tool we use to express our thoughts, ideas, and emotions. While basic grammar allows us to communicate, mastery of advanced grammar and style is what truly elevates our writing. It transforms simple sentences into powerful prose that captivates readers and leaves a lasting impression. Whether we write novels, emails, or academic papers, the ability to wield language effectively is paramount. Clear and concise writing hinges upon a solid understanding of grammar. It provides the framework upon which we construct our sentences. By mastering grammar rules, we ensure that our writing is easily understood and free from ambiguity. Correct punctuation, subject-verb agreement, and proper tense usage all contribute to the clarity and readability of our text. When we write with grammatical precision, we command respect from our readers and inspire confidence in our message. Parallelism is a powerful grammatical tool that adds balance and rhythm to our writing. It involves using similar grammatical structures to express related ideas. For example, she enjoys swimming, hiking, and reading uses parallelism effectively, while she enjoys swimming, hiking, and to read disrupts the flow. Parallelism creates a sense of symmetry and elegance, making our writing more pleasing to the ear and easier to follow. Misplaced modifiers can wreak havoc on the clarity of our writing. They occur when a word or phrase intended to modify a specific word or phrase is placed incorrectly in the sentence. For instance, I saw a dog running down the street wearing a red hat implies that the dog is wearing the hat. To correct this, we need to reposition the modifier. I saw a dog wearing a red hat running down the street. By paying attention to modifier placement, we can ensure that our sentences convey the intended meaning accurately. Section 5. Conditional sentences. Expressing possibilities and consequences. Conditional sentences allow us to express hypothetical situations and their potential outcomes. They typically involve an if clause followed by a main clause. Understanding the different types of conditional sentences is crucial for expressing nuances of possibility and certainty. For example, if I win the lottery, I will buy a house expresses a future possibility, while if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam reflects a past hypothetical situation. Section 6. The Art of Style, Elevating Your Writing. While grammar provides the foundation, style is what breathes life into our writing. It encompasses elements such as sentence structure, word choice, and tone. By varying our sentence length and structure, we create a more dynamic and engaging rhythm. Using vivid and precise language helps us paint a picture in the reader's mind, and choosing the appropriate tone, whether formal, informal, humorous, or serious, sets the overall mood and impact of our writing. Section 7. Practical application transforming a paragraph. Let's consider a practical example to see how mastering grammar and style can transform a piece of writing. Take this original sentence. The dog barked at the mailman. It was a big dog. By applying parallelism, we can create a more balanced structure. The big dog barked fiercely at the approaching mailman. We can further enhance the sentence with vivid language and varied structure. With a thunderous roar that shook the neighborhood, the massive canine launched into a ferocious barking tirade directed at the unsuspecting mailman. Section 8. Conclusion: Unleashing the full potential of your writing. Mastering advanced grammar and style is an ongoing journey, but one that reaps immense rewards. By continually refining our language skills, we unlock the full potential of our writing. We gain the ability to communicate with clarity, precision, and impact, captivating readers and leaving a lasting impression.